Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions. Today through online platform I would like to share my views that a commercial sector like malls and complex places where people usually go for the shopping needs and commercial aeroplanes. Nowadays, if you know that whenever the people are very fond of traveling, going for the shopping and going, they prefer to go in a place where they get access to all the shops easily in a ventilated areas like malls and different bigger malls. What if the mall doesn't have a pure commercial or water to give you the pure water? It will create a chaos and it will affect the image of the mall as well. If the people are going to mall, they have an image in their mind that they will get the best and the most best thing in the mall, whether it's about the water, whether it's about food, whether it's about the clothing and everything. They are depending upon the facilities the mall provide. People, whenever they get bored and whenever they want to go for a outing with their family, they first of all they think that they should go for the mall. As in this temperature, in the heat temperature, the malls are the most secure thing because these are the AC ventilated areas, and even in the cold weather, it is the most warm place where the one will get easily roam around and have fun and can spend their whole day. When they're spending the whole day, no one wants to be thirsty all the time and do not want to go for the washrooms because they are not at home. They want their malls to be feels like a home where they can have the pure water for the consumption and for the use. Therefore, being the best water manufacturer, we provide you the best commercial RO plants, which removes all the pollutants from water, allowing it to be the use for a variety of commercial purposes. Commercial RO plants, which are found in places like shopping malls, are thought to be the most cost effective water treatment method. It purifies the water by removing the impurities such as non essential metals, caustic salts, and chemicals. Commercial RO plants work by the following treatments, like in pre-treatment, and there are different steps like clarification water, sand filtration, water softening for reducing the hardness, water is passed through the activated carbon filters, and after all, in the final stage, the suspended particles are removed by using the cartridge filters. After getting treated in the pre-treatment, they are sent to the post-treatment where ozonation, ultraviolet, and chlorine systems are present. In general, pre-filtration and activated carbon purification post-filter are the three phases of the complete solutions for the treatment. Once the water is post-filtered, it is very safe to consume by the customers who are roaming around the malls. Having the commercial RO plants in the sectors like malls will only be an advantage option because it is the most effective, it is the compact, it has a different capacity as per the different requirements of the different malls, and it will give the pure water. Plus it is eco-friendly, which creates a great impact on the malls. We are the most cost effective companies which are committed to preserve the water and serve you the best. We deal as the best commercial RO plant manufacturer, and we are not limited to them only. If you have queries regarding the commercial RO plants in malls, feel free to contact the Netsol Water Solutions at any time. Our service is open 24/7. We have the best technicians which will going to guide you in having the problems if you're facing for the water, shortage of water or impure water. In the end, I would like to say don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.